Welcome to another bite-sized PD video. I'm Adele, your K-12 instructional tech coach with VLE. On today's episode, we're going to go over Learn360, which is another vetted and paid-for app for K-12 students and staff. Before we begin, let's take a look on how to get there. On Staff Portal, you can go ahead and click on the VLE, which will take you to the login page. Make sure you use a username and password, which will take you to the educator homepage of the VLE. In there, go ahead and click on Educator Resources, and you'll find Learn360 right there. You should be able to see a screen just like this. Learn360 is a safe, ad-free, content-rich, multi-subject resource library for educators and students. It can be used independently by students or as assigned by an educator into the LMS. Some of the popular resources are the BBC series, Planet Earth, LeVar Burton. You have access to Criterion On Demand, all the videos, all the educational movies. You have access to audiobooks. You have access to STEM lessons that are very interactive. And as well, you have access to games and activities that cover math, reading, and other learning games. Be mindful that much of the content is for the American curriculum. Therefore, we recommend you preview the resource before sharing it with your students. Now, let's check out this example with Mr. Bowlby on how he uses it with his students.
Hi there, this is Aaron Bowlby from Cars-Narito Public School. And I'm just going to quickly take you through how I use the VLE Learn360 resource to support students in my classroom. So I like the education resources here, Learn360, and I normally use it to support through math and science. I leaned quite heavily on it last year during the virtual or the at-home learning session towards the end of the year. It's a great way to reach students digitally, to consolidate lessons, and to provide some challenging content as well. So the STEM lessons are great because they're interactive and they really, get to the meat of what they're learning in science and math and how to apply it, most importantly. So even today, I use it to help out my room, just to provide a change of pace, a digital lesson, and we were doing, writing and solving simple equations. So if I click here, big feature I love is how quickly and easily you can link it right to your Google Classroom. So it's one click away for students. Gives you a nice, easy interface to navigate, lesson content they can skip around, and they can jump right into applying concepts from the classroom into interactives and pictures. As well, there's little videos built in that help reinforce understanding and concepts that they might have missed. Here's just a link to my classroom here. I had two today. I had a nice, more advanced one for students who finished quickly. Pretty wide range of challenging content, so they were able to challenge themselves if they finished the other one pretty quickly. A little slow to load here, but you can see we've got algebraic expressions, and this was just playing off of grade 8 balancing equations. So this was a good way to reach ahead here and get into some other content. Great, and that's basically how I use it in a nutshell.
If you're looking for more resources, please take a look at our Modern Learning website and check out more bite-sized PD on our YouTube channel. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any episode. If you have something awesome to share like Aaron, or if you want to see something specific on a future episode, please fill out the form linked below this video. Take care.